FDA panel supports perjeta for early-stage breast cancer. CBS News. cbsnews.com/cbs evening news/cbs this morning/48 hours/60 minutes/Sunday morning/face the nation. Video. U.S. World. Politics. Entertainment. Health. Money Watch. Sci-tech. Crime. Sports. More blogs. The feed battle round the WH Web Show 60 Overtime Face-to-Face Resources Mobile Radio Local. Log in, join cbsnews.com, sign in with profile, manage my newsletter subscriptions, update my email address, change my password, log out. CBS/AP/September 12, 2013, 5:38 p.m. FDA panel supports perjeta for early-stage breast cancer. WASHINGTONA biotech drug from Roche moved one step closer Thursday to becoming the first medicine approved to treat breast cancer before surgery. The Food and Drug Administration's panel of cancer experts voted 13-0, with one abstention, that the benefits of perjeta as an initial treatment for breast cancer outweigh its risks. The recommendation is not binding, but sets the stage for the FDA to clear the drug as the first pharmaceutical option approved to shrink or eliminate tumors before surgery. The study by Swiss drug maker Roche Holding AG's Genentech unit showed women who received perjeta as initial treatment were 18% more likely to be cancer-free after 12 weeks than women who received older drug combinations. Perjeta was first approved last summer to treat women with aggressive, late-stage breast cancer that has already spread to other parts of the body. But Genentech is seeking approval to market the drug as the first step in treating the disease. Panel Chairman Dr. Mikhail Sakharovs called the vote a historic moment. We are supporting the movement of a highly active drug for metastatic breast cancer to the first-line setting, with the hope that women with earlier stages of breast cancer will live longer and better, said Sakharovs, an associate professor of medicine at the Cleveland Clinic. Documents released by the FDA on Tuesday suggested this outcome may be coming, when FDA scientists released a positive review of the drug for early-stage breast cancer. Earlier this week, oncologist Dr. Amy Tyerston of Mount Sinai Medical Center in New York City told CBSNews.com the news was tremendously exciting for doctors and patients. Doctors hope that using cancer drugs earlier could help shrink tumors, making them easier to remove. In some cases, that could allow women to keep their breasts, rather than having a full mastectomy. Cancer specialists already use several chemotherapy drugs as initial treatments for cancer, but they are not formally approved for the use. The FDA is considering granting perjeta accelerated approval, a step used to speed up the introduction of drugs that have shown groundbreaking results in early testing. But analysts stressed that Genentech must conduct more trials to prove that perjeta's early promise ultimately results in longer life expectancy for patients. I look forward to the day several years from now when we can say that this improves survival, said Dr. Louis Deal of Duke University Medical Center. But if it doesn't, I think we should stand up and say we did the very best we could today, but it didn't work out. Genentech, based in South San Francisco, said it has already enrolled nearly 4,800 patients in a large study to confirm perjeta's effectiveness. The panel based its vote on a 417-woman study comparing perjeta in different combinations against older breast cancer treatments. When perjeta was combined with Herceptin, another Genentech drug, and standard chemotherapy, 39% of women saw their cancer reach undetectable levels. Only 21% of women experienced the same results from taking Herceptin and chemotherapy alone. After drug treatment, all the women received standard breast surgery to remove any tumors. Genentech says this surgery allowed researchers to confirm the presence or absence of cancer. While analysts ultimately backed the drug's benefits, they pointed to a number of shortcomings with the trial, including its small population size and its experimental measure of effectiveness. Genentech measured patients' initial response to the drug, but it's not yet clear whether those patients will ultimately live longer, healthier lives. The study also showed evidence of worrisome side effects, including a higher rate of heart problems among patients taking perjeta. FDA leadership acknowledged these issues, but urged the panel to consider the potential advantages of getting the drug to market quickly. The other side of the equation is you have to look at the benefit, and that is the introduction of an agent that may help many women prevent metastatic disease, said Dr. Richard Pazdur, director of the FDA's Office of Cancer Drugs. The FDA is scheduled